Thanks for joining today. My name's Megan with IQ Metrics, and I am the Wireless Marketing Manager here. And today I wanted to talk about this new industry called service and repair. It's a buzzword, it's getting a lot of attention, it's constantly growing, it's becoming billions of dollar industry, but what exactly is it? It's not just the fixing of cell phones. It's becoming so ever-changing that it's more than that. It's fixing all products. So things like drones, things like smart home systems, what exactly is going to be needed to be fixed in the future? And it really is all about where are we going? And so one of the big things that I hear when I talk to clients and prospects is what needs to be thought of in the industry that needs to help them be able to prosper and grow. And one of those things is streamlining processes. As I said, it's ever changing, it's becoming bigger, and a lot of smaller companies really want to grow. So one of the big things they need to focus on is that streamlining of processes. So one of the big things I always think about is the device process itself. So when someone brings in any kind of device, it's how do you bring that information and get it processed through the funnel. So one of the big things is a lot of people currently today use a checklist like this. It's daunting for a technician. It's got a lot of steps to it. Things can be missed. People might have bad handwriting. So one of the big things I always say is how can you make this more streamlined and better and more efficient? So one of the things that we like with our new RQ Service and Repair is the fact that you have a customizable checklist. So you're able to create different repair types. So almost all different products, whether it's a cell phone, whether it's a drone, all the different kinds of cell phones, you can actually create a separate checklist for each one. And this is just helping to make sure that everything that you need in order to be sure you can fix that device, what's damaged, what's not, who the technician is, you're able to create all those steps so the sales technician doesn't have to think about it. They just simply can go through and fill out all the boxes that are checked, what's mandatory, what's not. You can create those custom fields to be that you need to fill that out, and you can also take the guesswork out of having selections already pre-made. So it's just a drop down. So really helps to streamline that process and help to not have all these paper copies floating around, but also to help the employees have a lot less issues they need to think about and just being able to focus on fixing the device, not having to collect all the information from the customer. So if any of this interests you, please reach out to your account manager, reach out to our sales staff. We'd love to discuss this with you, get your feedback, and also just show you how great you can really streamline that process.